Our Face Smooth Nourishing Polish is an incredible 1-minute flash facial to instantly buff away all the dead skin cells on your skin to reveal a softer, smoother, and just an instantly more nourished and more radiant complexion. And I actually created this product many years ago. This is actually the second product I ever created with the entire Tropic range. And it was straight after our Body Smooth because my customers were telling me that they were using Body Smooth on their face. You know, they loved the feeling of how Body Smooth made their skin on their bodies feel so soft and smooth afterwards. And they wanted that same feeling on their face. But obviously Body Smooth was far too abrasive for the skin on the face. So I created this for my early customers so that they could experience the same softness on their face as they would on their bodies with the Body Smooth. And it became an instant bestseller. It has an incredible array of really softening ingredients, starting with your bamboo silica spheres. And this is like really gentle plant-based silica, so from bamboo, that gently exfoliates and buffs away all the dead skin cells. And because they're spherical in size, it doesn't create micro tears on the face, and it's super gentle. It's also got a whole host of lovely butters like shea butters and oils like jojoba oils and macadamia oils. And it also has acai berry extracts and vitamin E to give your skin that boost of nourishment and that boost of antioxidants. So this is a product I love to use once a week in the shower for that 1-minute flash facial. And when I come out of the shower, my skin is just feeling so smooth, so flawless, and makeup just applies so beautifully.